Alright, so we're here back with another video. So this video is gonna be, I'm trying to make it short, try to make it like 15 minutes long. But yeah, we're gonna be basically going over UJ. UJ. So wow, what happened, Alexis? And I guess for me, I'm just gonna be going over not how I could have capitalized on this year. It's I remember the day that happened. And it went all the way up, and then I seen the top, and I was in the cell, but I was not able to catch any of this any of this trend or any of this sale. So I believe this next year should be different from me because like I said, I can analyze a little better now. But clear as day, this is an uptrend, huh? Anyway, but yeah, let's just start from the beginning of let's start from the beginning. Not of this year. Let's start at the beginning of this sell trend. Because that was like more recent and more recent pain I've recently experienced. So like boom, let's just play back this whole right before this month happened. So oh look at that. Just freaking bulls. Bulls is raging. So real quick. So again, like we're at this area that obviously is the highest high. You could even look back at the 3 months and seeing like where you actually was at. And like I said, it's looking very, very bullish. Um, so again, just going up here, we got market structure. We're at a higher high that just recently came, higher low, higher high, technically, higher low. And now we're at now what is a higher high. So at that point, now we know where we are in structure. We're at a higher high, and this is at a monthly time frame. And this previous month, um, super bullish, but we did have some exhaustion here at this level, this buyer's exhaustion. So this was the area, like I said, for buyer's exhaustion. So just keeping our eyes open on that. Going down to the weekly. Again, like I said, we see another area of buyer's exhaustion right here on this candle, which is crazy. Um, yeah, because this candle was probably like 400 pips. Seven. Seven, baby. Seven. That's crazy. So yeah, 800 pips 1 week. Crazy week. Remember that week? And I was like, I should get in. This is a perfect buy area. Anyway, we won't go back to that. We're just trying to learn how to get better. So, boom. Again, like I said, this is another area of sellers or buyers exhaustion. So we're just going to mark that out for the future just to see what exactly is going on. So we're going to continue to play this right now. We're going to play it. Let's see if we play it slower. But yeah, it's playing. What's going to happen next? We don't even know. Let's go into slow. Let's go into slow. All right. So, boom. We had this week do one thing. So this is 1 week right here. So let even go down lower time frame. Even like just looking at that, like we didn't even need to go down to the lower time frames before then because of how clean this structure is. Like just seeing that on the lower time frame, this candle, we would have probably got confused and thought structure was broken because of how I probably look on the daily. But at the end of the day, like it's still within structure. This is the higher. This is right here is the higher low point. So like technically it's within structure and it's retesting its previous resistance. So again, like now that we're on a daily, we're gonna go down. It's so freaking clear the exhaustion level right here. So we came here, traded up because we weren't done. We were testing the previous resistance. Okay. Higher low point, higher high, higher low point. Not really a high area. We would need to break this to be a higher high. So this was a higher high area, but we haven't had a fail. Which is crazy because like how did I know that this was selling? I knew it was selling just because sellers exhaust a buyer's exhaustion here. Like I went in for an entry literally probably let me look on a low time because I'm always trading on 4 hours. Yeah, I probably went in here. 9 a.m. something about my time. Yeah, 9 a.m. something about I probably went in here and then like literally put me up by how many pips? 30 pips. Like that's how I'd be with you, Jay. Like you'd be so close. And then this was when 5 a.m. This was at 8 o'clock candle, probably an FP. So how we're looking at this, we're basically saying that we could have gotten this just basically knowing based off seller's exhaustion. We're at a higher high point. We're expecting either a lower high point or we're expecting lower high. Like that's how market structure works. So like at this point, we're waiting for a lower high on the higher time frame, and we're going to see if we're able to get a higher high. So let's let it play out. Let's go back to the daily because I don't want it to be messy. So we just closed and created a lower low on the daily broke break. So this candle, 4 hour candle, actually just broke structure in one candle. It's actually kind of cool. But also, like when stuff happens like that, you don't really know whether to trust your analysis because you're waiting for a retest. And in this area, it gave us a retest, but it wasn't like a sexy retest. It was just like kind of like 38.2. Like that's a valid. Now, mind you, according to Q Banks, this is a 38.2 is a valid reversal, price reversal zone. But I'm waiting for it to have at least to the 61.8. 78.6 would be wonderful and 88.6. But I looking at this candlestick now that I'm not trading this, the momentum of this candle is crazy. Like it's fully girthed. Like this candle is so large, it's not much wick. Even the wick at the bottom right here, like, come on now. It's not even much wick. Oop, it's not much wick. Compared to this wick, come on, this is a large wick. So it's kind of telling you the exhaustion is coming. Like price is exhausted with the sell. And then we did buy. We bought probably 100 pips on 200 pips. So stuff like that is very important to be mindful of. We could have placed our order or actually got in. This could have been our entry if we did not get in because this was the lower high or basically the fail create a higher high. So even like seeing the detail here, this was the area it actually failed to create a higher high, but on the daily, can we even see that? Yeah, we did see that. It's high. Like this could have been a fail to break, but we did not see the same on the lower end, like on the lower side. Let me put these EMAs. First of all, these EMAs are trash, so that's why I took them off. So we'll fix our EMAs later. But yeah, basically we're at an area where we're saying price broke and came and just retested. But this was on the daily. Could have got it the next day just based off of this candle. Just based off of this candle. So like first entry was here based off of seller's exhaustion. Oh my God. sellers, egg, well, look, I didn't come up in here to learn how to spell. I came up in here to learn how to trade. The second entry was right here. Could have been based off the retest. 38.6. Wow. First entry, second entry. It doesn't have to be pretty people. I don't need 100% beauty. This one retest 38.2. Lord. These are all the reasons we could have gotten a second entry. All right. So moving on with the trend, like the trend is still going, the trend is still our friend. That could have been a third entry right here. But I mean, like, would you really have gotten or tested yourself to get in the entry there? Probably not. So like moving on, we're in the trade now. Eating probably up from that order 200 pips. From this second order, we got up 400 pips. Now we up 600 pips. So cool beans, cool beans. We're doing well. That probably was the first week. Yeah. Got in. Your second entry would have been the second week. So like second week still playing out. It's not done. Let's see how this goes. So I get in. Basically, I try to get in every week. So next week has played out. So we have this now clear. And listen, people, listen, Linda. I actually traded this week. I actually traded this, make my first 4K day, and I never got out. Lost all the money by staying in for this candlestick right here. This candlestick completely took all my profit, got in probably at this low, and it was just trash after that. Missed out on fucking 400 pips. Tragic. Anyway, moving on. So like basically this retest right here, according to market structure, it was creating a lower high and also retesting its previous area of support, making support now resistance. That could have been a third entry. It really could have, like just straight off the fact that we're on market structure, you know, it's the beginning of the new week. Um, yeah, Monday popping on the popping. You could have got in on Monday. Probably been my actual order. You would have to hold that over. Would you really have held it? I probably would have got in here, honestly. 100 pips away. About 100 pips away. Cool. So, like, you would have been up 1,000 pips based off of this order, basically. Less than 3 weeks, 14 days. Crazy. So, at this point, we're basically at that area where we first created sellers exhaustion. So, we should definitely be confident in saying that this is now a sell. Was I confident at the time? No, not at all. But, we're basically done with this month, which is crazy, which is cool. But yeah, missed a lot of opportunities in this in this scenario, this is too much to analyze within 15 minutes. So I'm gonna make another video on basically how I could have capitalized on UJ, this crazy, crazy 100% retrace, 100% retrace when I tell you. Let's go back to original lifetime. Like I never seen a 100% retrace like this before. Like in the beginning of the year, December, January 2024, we went up 1,000, we went up 2,000 pips. It was crazy, bloody murder. How did we go 2,000 pips again? And then just to go back 1,000 pips, that was about 4,000 pips, 6,000 pips that we could have caught in this whole year. So I want to learn how to do that. I know I will learn. I will level up my trading journey, but it's just all about showing up every day. And today I showed up, and that's all that matters. So I'm gonna keep on figuring out how to get better. So yeah, that's the end of this video. And goodbye. See you next time.